Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the data, right? So in statistics, we usually deal with data, right? So as we've discussed in the previous video, that we have two types of thing, population and sample, right? So sample comes from the population, right? So data also can come from population and sample, right? So data can come from both place, right? Population and sample. So data from population or sample, and data is represented by uh, s- uh, small letters, lowercase letters like X or Y. Okay, so that's how we represent data. And we have two types of data: qualitative and quantitative. So what is qualitative data actually? These are just express quality of something. I mean, it could be color, it could be blood type of people, or maybe ethnic group, their religious status. So these are just qualitative thing, and we can't use these data in statistics, right? We didn't. So these kind of data are not usually useful. And we have another types of data is called quantitative data. Okay, so quantitative data are really useful because these data deal with numbers like money, pulse rate, you can say weight, and number of people. So these kind of data are useful for statistics, right? So these quantitative data are of two types: discrete and continuous. What is discrete actually? So if I give you an example, right, the number of books on your table is discrete. So you never have seven and a half books in your table, right? So it could be eight books or maybe seven books. So number of phone calls you received yesterday, maybe you never get three and a half phone calls, right? Two and a half phone calls. You will get either two phone calls or maybe three phone calls. Never two and a half phone calls, right? So these kind of data are discrete data. And what is continuous data actually? If you measure the length of your table, maybe it could be 2.5 feet uh, meter, and maybe if you measure the distance of the school from your home, it could be 1.5 mile, 2.5 mile. So this kind of data are continuous data. Okay, so if you measure 10 people's weight, so someone could be 80 kg, 80 and half kg, 95.7 kg. So this kind of data is possible in case of weight. So these are continuous data. So now I will show you some example, and you need to decide which kind of data we are talking about, right? So if you see my screen, I'm showing you some data like the number of pets you have. So you will never have three and a half cats, right? So it would be three cats or maybe four cats. Uh, so this is quantitative discrete data. The color of your backpack is qualitative, right? Right. The color is not like one color, two color. No. The time it takes to complete a homework assignment. So it could be 1 hour 25 minutes, maybe. Uh, yeah. So it is a continuous data, right? Quantitative continuous. The number of books in your personal library. So it could be like you have uh, 50 books, maybe 100 books. You never have 50 and half books. Okay. So this is quantitative data, and this is discrete data. Okay. The type of music you listen to. So the type of music you listen to, this is, it doesn't deal with numbers, right? So it's just genre of music. So this is a qualitative data. So that's it, guys. You just need to see them, and you need to decide which kind of data we are talking about, right? This is just to use your brain, guys. So I hope you like this video. uh, in the next video we'll discuss something really important. Okay, so thank you for watching the class.